If I could go back, I would have saved a significant amount of nerves and money. And all of this could have been easily resolved with just one simple thing: eliminating all the mistakes I made. In today's video, I really want to take the time to show you the mistakes I made during training, which caused me to lose a lot of progress and feel quite disappointed. I want to give you a fair warning right from the start that this isn't some magic pill or secret strategy, it's just my personal experience. And as they say, it's better to learn from others' mistakes. That's why in this video, I want to share my experience with you so that you don't end up making the exact same mistakes I did. Let me remind you, my name is Moria. I have over 5 years of trading experience, and I want to invite you to join my free Telegram channel. As usual, the link is in the video description. Join in and trade with me. Let me show you, my friends, a very basic setup. It is a simple strategy that is easy to understand, one I really like and personally follow every single day. So let's take a look and choose a currency pair. Alright, let's check out our currency pairs. Right away, I see a great entry point. So without wasting any time, I open a trade for an upward movement. And why is that? Because we have an overall downward trend, the currency pair is extremely oversold, and it's now coming out of that position. And I truly believe that the 1 minute time frame is a great trade duration to open an upward position right now, given this specific market situation. I am currently using the alligator's jaw combined with the CCI indicators. I really like using these technical indicators because they clearly show the overbought and oversold levels in the current trend. It's actually very simple to understand, and it's especially well suited for absolute beginners because we can immediately see exactly when something is oversold or overbought. We then open trades on the reversals, which can be very profitable for us in the long run. There's just a little bit of time left until the very end of the trade, so let's wait and see what happens. I think this was an absolutely excellent entry point, a really good one that we picked for this session. And yes, friends, as we can see, we're making a profit. Also, I want to remind you that I have my own free Telegram channel. And as usual, you can find the link right in the video description below. Come and join in, trade with me if you are looking to earn together, especially if you want to gain more trading experience and minimize your potential losses, because it's always important to have a mentor. I personally didn't have such a mentor to guide me. I had to learn absolutely everything on my own, and because of that, I completely understand exactly how you feel right now. That's why I decided to create my free Telegram channel to help all of you, my dear friends. So, we've thoroughly discussed the essential rules, the common mistakes, and precisely what you need to do to avoid making them yourself. I also showed you my personal strategy in practice. Now let's take a moment to sum everything up together. So, what should you absolutely not do? First and most importantly, also, I didn't analyze the market thoroughly and traded across different time frames regardless. That also led me to substantial financial losses, so I would immediately exit my positions and consistently choose to open new trades for just 1 minute. Well, this time I opened a trade because it was an excellent entry point. You saw the result for yourself. And the most important rule is that I started following specific trading strategies. I stopped trading chaotically in a disorderly way, sometimes up, sometimes down. So want to add that if you're a beginner right now, under no circumstances should you try to find the perfect strategy. Most likely it won't work out because perfect strategies simply don't exist. They just don't exist. Just forget about it, that's all.
Hello everyone, where I'll be sharing my personal strategy, a strategy for making money through trading. I'll explain the essence of this strategy a bit later. For now, you can see that my balance is already over $30,000. I earned all of this through trading. I've had both losses and gains, since you can't do without them. I'd also like to tell you a little about myself. My name is Franklin. I've been trading for several years now. I've tried a lot of brokers, a lot of platforms, and a lot of strategies. I have a tremendous wealth of knowledge, thanks to which I developed my very own strategy that helps me make money. After watching this video, I hope you'll understand this strategy and be able to earn just like I do. I want to share it with you because for me it's a big motivation and it means a lot to me in this business. So guys, let's get straight to the strategy. So the essence of the strategy is that we enable several different indicators. In my case, that's the alligator indicator and the CCI 20 indicator. and we base our trading decisions entirely on the signals that we receive from them. So let's go ahead and set $1,000 as our starting amount. And I'll open the first trade right now and explain in detail the core of my strategy to you guys, step by step. Alright, I'm opening a trade for a decrease and I'll tell you the essence of my strategy. Guys, as you can see, we have two indicators that we rely on. These are the alligator and the CCI. On the alligator indicator, we can see three lines that intersect at certain points, after which the currency pair's trend direction changes. As you can see here a crossover happened and the currency pair started moving downward, indicating a shift in the trend. We can notice that the indicator analyzes the entire market, not just a specific part of it. And we also look at the CCI indicator. The CCI indicator shows us the level of market oversold and overbought conditions. That is, as we can see, at some point the market was heavily overbought and then reversed, with the trend changing to a downward movement. So guys, we have 10 seconds left until the end of the first trade. Guys, I really believe that it will close in profit for us, even though it doesn't look like it yet. But that's okay, because trading is impossible without losses, which can always be compensated for. Alright, great, the first trade has closed. Plus, we see a downward trend. I'm opening two trades right away. Guys, you can also check out my Telegram channel if you're interested. There are a lot of different strategies available there, as well as plenty of various information about brokers and the trading platform. For my work in trading, I personally choose the pocket option platform. I've analyzed a lot of different platforms and brokers, and in my experience, this is the most optimal and extremely effective platform for me, because it has a very interesting interface and accessible design, and overall it's quite intuitive. And you might also be worried or concerned that the broker simply won't allow you to withdraw your funds, especially for people who are in situations like that. I've already made a detailed video where I personally tested this broker for honesty and transparency. And as you remember my funds, I received them. That was pretty much expected because this platform has very good reviews. In general, reputation is much more important than the money you earn. And the platform paid us our funds. So guys, our second trade is already closing in profit. Now choosing another currency pair. Let's go with AUD CAD, AUD CHF. And we wait patiently for the signal that Vortex will provide us, and so most likely the trade will be a sell. Guys, just as I said, Vortex immediately gives us a signal. Again, I'm opening two trades because I want a bigger profit. Guys, as you can see, the currency pair is currently in a loss and we're supporting the downward trend, which I'm very happy about. We managed to open the trade in time because right now is an excellent entry point into the market. Oh no, we get some bullish candles and then immediately a huge bearish candle. Guys, I think we are confidently taking profit from this trade right now. Only 1 second remains on the timer, and yes, we receive $576. Guys, I was able to earn this much money, literally, in just one single video. And it's all thanks to my Vortex with Batul, and that's it guys. We've moved on to the next currency pair. This is AUD CHF and we're waiting for signals from our bot. As you can see, in order to reach a total of $1,000 in this video, we just need a bit more luck to get there. We receive a signal to go long, so I immediately opened two separate trades, each for $150, which together totals a $300 trade overall. Alright guys, we're getting bullish candles. Right now, as we can clearly see, the trend is changing here. The pair was slightly in the red for a brief moment, but then it started to shoot up. As you can see, this has happened with this currency pair before as well. Alright, only 5 seconds left. And I'm absolutely confident that we'll make a financial gain on this trade. Great, we've certainly increased our balance. Now it's $2,096. Guys, I managed to earn a whole $1,000 in this video. And it's all thanks to my Vortex bot. It's just an incredible bot that really analyzes the market with maximum accuracy. No other bot can analyze it like this one, just like ours. So guys, now I'm going to take a moment to sum up everything we've covered in this video. Our trades turned out just great and Vortex bot really helped us achieve those results. So guys, go to my Telegram channel, get this amazing bot absolutely free. And for those who don't want to think about trading or doing anything at all, just take your time and consider your options. We have a program called Copy Trading. You just simply connect to it and you will automatically trade together with me, following my trades in real time. So guys, I have to say goodbye to you for now until the next video. Bye everyone.